I think that this technology is going to reshape pretty much every software category we know. I mean, we've seen that, right? If you think about the web, we've had, what, 3 at least very distinct platform shifts that have shaped the web. The web was born on the PC and the server, and then it evolved with mobile and cloud. And now the question is, how is AI going to reshape the web? And each time, in each one of those phases, some real foundational technology layers, sometimes I describe them as these organizational layers of technology, were born, right? The browser was the first one. Without the browser, the web would have not been as popular as it is today. Same thing with search. Search organized the web. And then when it came to the mobile generation and mobile and cloud, in fact, these super apps, especially outside of the United States, around messaging, became the way people consumed the web. We also had app stores. So the question is, what are the constructs? What are the organizing layers going forward? You'll see some of that today. We think there are 2 things that are emerging. One is this conversational intelligent agents. I think they're going to be things that we are going to have everywhere we go. All computer interaction is going to be mediated with an agent helping you. In fact, we're going to have this notion of a Copilot that's going to be there across every application canvas, inside of an operating system shell, in a browser. And so we want to show you some of this innovation, starting with how it's going to reshape the largest software category on planet Earth, which I've been working on for a long time, which we're very, very excited about, search.